Hi all, Troy here. Little bit of a instructional video. Emily's computer power supply just went pop, so thought I'll show you a video, show you opening up, replacing, and going down and getting a new one. Okay, so here we go. So on the back here, don't know whether you can see it, take the side off, we got two Phillips head screws, one, two, and we just pull that, takes the side off. And up here we got the power supply. So we've got to disconnect the cables here. So it's grab my side cutters. And make sure you don't cut any cables there, because that would not be very good. And all we've got is we've got a plug here. Disconnect. We've got a plug at the back here to disconnect, and that it's got a little clip on the side of this one. There we go. A little clip on the side, just had to do that. Let's see what else has it got here. Up to the DVD. I'm up here. I think I need a bit more space. So, we've got 4 screws that mount the power supply. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Jim Carrey is Con Man, and it's very, very cool. There's a lot of stuff about
okay. Okay, so that's those 4 screws out there. And simply slides forward. And we put it down so we can disconnect the rest of the cables here. There's one up here I was trying to get at on that DVD player. Then we got one on the motherboard here. They just pull straight out. Another one on the motherboard with a clip. Just move it out. Let's see if, there we go. And I think we've just got one more here on the hard drive. And there we go. Now You can go down to computer store and pick up a replacement. So I'll let you know how I go. We'll go down there shortly and I'll show you how to install again. Just a quick note before I go. If you're going to be leaving the computer for a little while and you've got kids around, good thing. Lunch bags. Grab your screws. Put them into the lunch bag so can't be lost accidentally. Seal it up and just put it back in the computer. And just chuck your cover back on. And then they can't be lost. Otherwise you've got to go buy new ones again. Okay, back to you with install shortly. Okay, we're off to MSY. I've got Emily, my wife, and baby Zizi girl in the car. Say hello.
Hello.
Wave, Zizi.
I don't know if they'll be able to see her, but...
Okay, so we're going to get the power supply for Emily's computer and we'll show you how to put that in shortly. Okay guys, at MSY, this is favourite computer store here around Adelaide, so going in to go get it. Okay guys, back again. Let's put the power supply in. Got this one here. It's $49 at MSY. So first thing, these are all the cable ends. Make sure that you've got an equivalent one. Make sure your cable ends will match the same. So, and it's just a matter of neatly putting the cables in where they came out of. So here we go. Make sure you put the power cables in firmly. And it's just putting in all the power cables. Power supply back in. Just careful not to crush any of the cables, catch them in there. There we go. And 4 screws go back into the same slot, same spots.
Noah, I closed that.
Okay, pause. Okay, now the cables are a bit of a mess. We leave them like this, they'll get caught up in the fan there. So, we need to sort of bunch them all up. Yes, I know. It's dusty in there, isn't it? And we tie it up. Just got some twine or cable ties will do it nicely. Yay, hey? Nice and neat. Yes, Missy. There we go. Nice and neat. And we put cover back on. And you hold the touch. Screwdriver and hook. And we put the 2 screws back that we took off to get the cover off. Okay, Emily's computer is all back together again and running. So this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos like this coming up.